Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to lock apps on Android. Okay, let's start. Now tap on any apps. All apps are locked here. I will show you some apps. Viewers, take some time to look carefully. Now go to your Play Store application. Then tap on search. Search here app lock. And then type here app lock. You can see app lock application if it is available, and then open your app lock application. You can see that all my apps are unblocked. Now tap on block. Now you can see that all my apps are blocked. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.